Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So by the title you guys know that I got BC coilovers for the Mazda. We are going to be changing them tomorrow. I'm going to be taking it to Apex Motoring and they're going to change it throughout the day. But today I'm just going to show you guys what comes in the box, and we're going to do a little unboxing of the coilovers. So here are the coilovers. They come in a nice box. BC Racing. So I got the BR series. So let's get to the unboxing. So as soon as you open the box, you get this, and then so I got these from iRace Autosports. Shout out to them. They send some stickers. That's always good. 2 stickers, nice. Put them here. Fruit snacks. Gosh, nice. Thank you. Yeah, we'll read that after. Thank you for your order. And this is the receipt, I guess. Yeah. Okay, all that here. And now, let's open this. Damn. New coilovers. Buyer. So these ones have the camber adjustment as well, so only in the front, I think. We'll open the rear and see. So this is how the front looks. Got your camber adjustment on the top, your damping settings, damping, whatever. Overall looks pretty good. So I got the extreme low ones because low life, and comes with a nice bubble wrap. So here we go, guys. BC coils for the Mazda. So the build quality looks pretty good. We're gonna be putting them on tomorrow, and then I will show you guys. I'll do a first review, first drive thingy. So let's open the rest of it. So that's all you get in the box. Those two are the springs, so we're not gonna open them because we can see right through it. But these things, I don't know what they are, so let's open these and see. Yeah, so that's the rear ting for the spring. That's where you adjust the rear shocks from. So yeah, that's all. I also got these extenders for the rear, so you don't have to go under the car or jack up the car to adjust it. There we go, you can see. So these things are nice. I think they were like $23, so it's probably worth it. We'll see after. So that's it for today, guys. As you can see, the coilovers look pretty good, and then I can't wait till I put them on the car tomorrow. I'm gonna be making a video tomorrow as well. We're gonna be dropping it off and then picking it up and see how it looks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.